Hi everyone, welcome back. The 100 days of the DevOps with AI tools, learning path journey. I hope you have completed day 29th agenda. That is about EC2 security groups and elastic IPs. Yes, one of the important concept in the security consent point of view, security groups which we should know it. Yet, EC2 level. Yeah, how do we enable the firewalls? Yes, that is security group concept and elastic IP. Yes, the need of the elastic IP, in which context we use the elastic IP. Yes, all those points it was discussed. If you didn't complete it, go ahead and review once again. Now, are you ready to move to this next agenda? Yes. So if you are going to, if you are ready for that, but before starting that, so if you're following the learning path journey and if you think this is very helpful to your friends and colleagues, then please like, comment, and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe for exciting content to receive the latest updates. Yeah, now let's go ahead to understand the day 30th agenda, that is about EC2 metadata and user data. But what about this metadata and user data, and what is the agenda that has been set up that, and how much time that is required for you to go for it? Yes, to understand all these points. So let me go to this about our workflow. Yeah, so in this workflow, now we are in that cloud journey, and in that, if you go for this day 29 completed, yes, day 30. And what are the important points that we have this to understand that? But before understanding this, yes, so if you'd like to learn all these concepts, yes, it has been organized in the well structured as a placement oriented this one. And once this course has been completed, we'll help you on that, the placement as well as, yes. So if you're interested on this, yes, like join the course, and we have that the DevOps Club, and where if anyone is looking about that, the assistance, yes, we'll help you on it. Yeah, so that is about, yes, if you need that, then just WhatsApp 100 to this number, then you will get the details about it. And coming to this agenda, so what are the main points that we are going to look into that's in this today's agenda is, so metadata and user data. So there are the two very important concepts about the EC2 point of view. Yes, if you would like to know that EC2 information about in which availability zone the EC2 instance is running, the region point of view, and as well as the type of instance point of view. There's all those details the AWS team they are providing about it. So how do we get it that information? Yes. So we have the metadata accessing that. Yes, what is this metadata and how do we use it, in which context we use it, that has been explained. And next point is user data. Yes, like launching the system is one point, but during the launching, if you would like to run that any custom commands or the custom, the services launching or the packages installation or updating the packages. Yeah, so those kind of activities, if you'd like to perform it during the bootstrap time, or if you have any bootstrap scripts to execute it while launching that instance, yes, how the user data can be used to invoke that Ansible scripts or shell scripts. Or so that's it has been that defined in the user data section. That is another important section. And as well as in the same agenda, it was discussed about that launch types also. What are the different types of that? The instances that we can go for that launching. So which one is in which context is recommended? Yes, we have the reserved instances, spot instances, on-demand instances, and as well as a dedicated host and a dedicated instances. Yes, what about all these differences and in which context, which one do we use it? Yes, all that's points you will get it here. So don't miss this section, as EC2 is one of the core service from the AWS point of view. We should know all these details to manage that, the EC2. Yeah, so I hope so you will enjoy this section. So go ahead and start it. And if you have those any issues, yes, please ping that in the WhatsApp group or in the comment window. Thank you. So that's all from my side in this section. We'll see this in the next section.